What are the steps to effectively contribute to open source projects on GitHub? Go to any repository which you are interested in to contribute. Then you can see the fork option on the top right side of the repository. Simply click on it and fork it to your GitHub account. Keep in mind, I've already forked the repository. You just have to click the fork button to make the same clone of the repo to your GitHub account. Clone the forked repository to your local system and update or add features to the respective repository. For demo purposes, I'll just update the readme file to show the practical demonstration to push your updates to the original repository. Follow the steps as shown in the video. After making changes, simply commit and push your final changes to the forked repo. Then go to that forked repository page from your GitHub account. You'll see the contribute option, then click the open pull request button to request your changes to be updated on the main repo. Add a descriptive title and message to explain why you're and what changes you've made that the admin of the main repo should consider your contribution. Please don't change the readmes, this is annoying. Add some problem-solving features to the projects, then consider contributing. In this video, I've forked my organization's repository, so I've simply merged the contribution. But in your scenario, you'll be contributing to a repository to which you don't have access. So you'll have to wait for the owner or admin of the main repo to review your changes. And if they are interested in your contribution, then they will accept your changes. But if you don't see that they didn't approve your changes, then maybe they are not interested or they didn't saw your pull request. So in this case, try to DM them or email them if you know anything about their social handle and ask them about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it with your developer friends.